I'm going to show you now is a really cool little player. It's called the Floating for YouTube Chrome extension, and you get it from the Chrome Web Store. So type in Floating Player YouTube. And it's this one here. You can tell by the amount of downloads it's got. I'm just going to launch it a minute. Let's just launch the app. Now what happens is it brings up a little box. So you can go to YouTube, select a YouTube that you like, put the URL address inside the box.
This is the story of a royal court
and it will start playing. Now, the great thing about this is you can actually move it around the desktop. You've still got full control, and you can move around your browser as well. So quite handy when you're doing an assignment.
He was brutal, he was ruthless.